Some strange noises brought Milo out of the hen house. What was all this about? Hey, could you cut that out? Milo said. Hey! But the bird just ignored him. Hey! Oh, here, your singing stinks. Will you quit it? Hello in there.
Otis. Come here, Otis, a frog croaked.
What is it? Otis said. I'm supposed to be exiting, you know.
Otis, it's your cat buddy. He's got the whole farm crazy. Do something. And quick. Otis, come on.
The frog was right. At that moment, Milo was teasing a crab that was waddling through the farmyard. But this time, someone got the best of Milo.
He deserved it.
The frog croaked. Hey, he's my friend, Otis said.
He still deserved it.